Welcome. If you want to get lightning edges in your Motorola Moto G 5G Plus, for the first you have to move for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type here lightning edges, and we have to get this up from the sun and lightning. So let's install. Right now we can open. Click right here, name your theme, click OK, turn off the ad, and right now we are in the settings, so we can set up here what you want. I'm going to show you my setup. So I'm going to speed it up on the maximum speed, then I'm going to change the border size a little bit, and also I'm going to change the radius top and the bottom, and then I'm going to tap create. I'm clicking here. I'm going to enable it to all display over other apps, and after that we can go back. Oh, wait a minute, and just scroll down and tap to set as live wallpaper, and also tap on the switcher. And as you can see right now, our edges are activated, and they are of course over the other apps, so when you enter the messages you will get it also. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.